Uh, Yesterday we have seen what is actually commission, brokerage, and what are its types. So today's date is 26 2020. So today we are going to see some definitions, and after that we will start with the first exercise. Okay, so today we are going to see trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount and cash discount. So
मैडम पेज नंबर
what?
पेज नंबर किती मैडम
uh, I'm not currently, I'm not referring textbook because I have PDF of it, but just go through this, and you can refer after that, because I am writing these definitions from textbook only. Okay, so write with me only. Discount is the reduction in the price of an article in the price of an article allowed by the seller to the purchaser, to the purchaser. It is generally expressed in percentage. So discount is a reduction in the price of article or anything allowed by the seller to the purchased, and this is expressed in percentage. Okay, so discount is generally discount is expressed in percentage. We have seen offers like 20% discount, 10% discount, 50% discount. So discount is always expressed in percentage. Okay, so next is, there are two types of discounts. Okay, there are two types of discounts. First is trade discount and another one is cash discount. First is trade discount and another one is cash discount. So we will see definition of trade discount. Definition of trade discount. So trade discount is allowed by one trader to another, and it is given on the catalog price we will see what is catalog price, or you can say list price or mark price of the goods. So first write down this definition, then we'll see what is catalog price. Complete this first. Yes.
Spelling. Catalog spelling.
What? Catalog spelling? CATALOGUE. So done with this. So when trade discount is allowed by one trader to another trader only, and it is this trade discount is given on catalog price or mark price. Now we will see what is catalog price. Catalog price okay. So published price, it is published price from which volume and another discounts are deducted and to which handling, shipping, taxes and other charges are added. So in catalog price, it is what is catalog price? It is published price from which volume and another discounts are deducted, and this shipping charges, handling charges, taxes and other charges are added in it. This is it is called as catalog price or catalog price or list price. Write down this, complete this fast. Next we will write two different types of notes. First note, the buyer may be allowed both of these discounts in such case in such a case, the trade discount is first calculated on the catalog price, or you can say list price. Okay, so when a buyer is allowed both of these discounts, okay, in that case trade discount is first calculated on catalog price. So while solving problem we are going to use this. Next, second note is the cash discount is then calculated on the price obtained after deducing the trade discount from the list price. So complete this note, both of these notes. Yes? What?
Is not clear.
Okay, just a second. Huh?
Yes.
Now is it visible? Okay. Done with this part, writing part. So let's complete this fast. So next we will see meaning of invoice price. Invoice price. So here second note was, what is second note? The cash discount is then calculated. So after this, when both of these discounts are, we have to calculate. After calculating trade discounts, and then when we have to calculate cash discount, it is then calculated on the price obtained after deducing the trade discount from the list price. So first we will find so while solving problem, first in here trade discount is calculated on catalog price, and then while calculating cash discount we will deduct it from the trade discount. Okay, so now we will see what is invoice price. The actual price the actual price paid by the manufacturer. The actual price paid by the manufacturer, it is called as invoice price. So meaning of this is not given in the textbook, that's why I am giving these meanings. So we will see now some formulas which we are going to use in problems. Okay, first formula is invoice price is list price that is catalog price minus trade discount Next formula, selling price or net selling price is equal to invoice price minus cash discount. Next, profit is equal to net selling price minus cost price. Next, this first, second, third and fourth, loss is equal to cost price minus net selling price. Write down these formulas. Remember, this list price is catalog price only. Okay. Done with this formulas? Done with this formula, students?
Ma'am, it is not clear to see.
Just a second. Now is it okay? Atreya,
No, ma'am.
what happened? Might be there might be connectivity issues at your side, because here I am using Wi-Fi, so there is no issue while connecting. And I'm going to send upload this video also. So if you are not seeing it clearly. What about the other students other than Atreya? Is it visible for you or not?
No, ma'am, not clear. No, ma'am, not clear.
Okay. Now is it okay? Students, now is it okay?
Not clear.
What happened till yesterday it was clear? Clear means it is blur or what?
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
Just a second, students. Okay. Now, students. Now is it clear? Okay, students. I will send. I will upload this video on YouTube also. Okay. My voice is clear or not? Okay. Now clarity is better. Okay. Okay, so we will start with exercise 1.1. Question 1. Students, tell me what you will prefer, to write question, or should I just start with the solution of it, what is given part and solution of it? What you will prefer? Tell me someone. Okay, I will write.
With question.
What?
With
Okay, with question. Okay. So write down first question. Write down first question. An agent charges 12% commission on the sales what does he earn if the total sell amount to rupees 48,000 what does the seller get? So write down first the question. Write down first. Write down this question first. So till that I will write given part. What is given? Rate of commission is given. It is 12%. Given. Students, given is compulsory while writing this solution. So rate of commission is 12%. Next, total sales 48,000. Okay, total sales 48,000. So here agent is charging in this problem. What is the problem? Agent charges 12% commission on the sales. What does he earn if the total sale amount to rupees 48,000, and what does the seller will get? So first we will find out what is agent's commission, because agent charges 12% commission, but we will calculate actual commission. So commission is calculated on total sales. Always remember. So 12% of total sales. So 12%, that means 12 upon 100. 12% is 12 upon 100 into what is total sales? 48,000. So these two zeros will get cancelled and this will be 5760. Okay, rupees 5760. Okay, so agent's commission, it was given in percentage, so we calculated actual commission in rupees. Okay, now we have to calculate what does the seller get. So seller get is equal to total sales minus agent's commission. So 48,000 minus 5760. So this subtraction will be 42,240. This is what seller will get. So while solving this type of problems, first complete this problem, students. So, complete this with solution. Complete this problem, students. Now it is visible, na? Atreya, Joshua, now is it visible? Okay, 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 okay. Students, any doubt in this problem? So what was given, just commission was in percentage which agent charged, and what was what was given, total sell amount was also given. So first we wrote what is given, and then we calculated agent's commission. It was in percentage, then we calculated it in rupees. And what was our last aim? We have to calculate what seller get. So seller get was total sell minus this agent's commission. So what is our answer? 42,240 rupees. So any doubt in today's session, students? Any doubt? You can message me personally if you have any other doubt. And students, try to solve examples also, so you will get idea of this exercise. So because exercise problems of exercise are based on this only, solve examples. Okay, and try to understand the problem, what is given and what we have to calculate. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you.